Hello and welcome back to Steve Vapes. Today we're looking at 3 more liquids from Venom Vapes. We've got Aftershock, Black Astaire and Cola Blizzard. Let's get into this one. Okay, first up we have got Aftershock. Now, Aftershock is one of the latest flavours to be added to their line. It's described as a lemon and lime with absinthe. I'm using a 3mg nicotine right across the line with Venom. It is an 80-20 mix. As it's described, it is a cloud chasing juice. The vapor production is really strong. So let's give Aftershock a vape and I'll break the flavour down a little bit for you. Okay, so just refreshing my own memory, because I am using these juices quite a lot now. This one is a really strong lime. It's kind of like a lime vodka shot that you get. There's a little bit of lemon in the background. It's nice, but it's not as prominent as the lime. It's definitely lime. It's the hard hitting flavour here, and there's no cream in this vape. It is definitely a hard hitting flavour, straight in the face. And there's no throat hit though, which is good. It's not going to be my everyday vape. I do prefer a creamier, smoother vape. I've not tried this in a tank yet, which I should do really if I'm doing the review on it. But as I say, it's just not made that impression to me that it's going to be one of my favourites. Taste is subjective, people. Don't get me wrong. Some of the liquids I absolutely love. Some of you might hate them. So, Aftershock. It's a very lime-scented vape. Think like a lime shooter. Lime vodka shot you get at the bar. That's what you're getting. Let's move on. So next up, we've got Black Astaire. Now this is a black currant with a hint of menthol. Again, 3mg nicotine, 80-20 mix. Let's give her a vape. Now, for a straight flavour, blackcurrant, no cream, no nothing, this, top quality. Definitely, could vape this all day. Now, the menthol, it is there, you can feel it, but what it's doing, it's cooling the vape down. So even at 96 watts, this is a cool vape. And how can it's I wouldn't say it's like drinking a juice, but the blackcurrant flavour is strong. It's a prominent blackcurrant flavour. The menthol just keeps that vape a little bit cooler, which is a nice touch. It's a really nice touch. This one, double thumbs up. Can't go wrong with this one. Straight blackcurrant. Oh, it says what it does on the tin. Bang on. Let's move on. Okay, so next up from Venom Vapes, we have got Cola Blizzard. Now, I have to hold my hands up. All these liquids were sent out for review, which hasn't affected my judgment whatsoever. If they were rubbish, I'd say they were rubbish. The Cola Blizzard, I ran out of before I reviewed it. I was that into this juice. I had to go out today to the store, hunting around to try and find the Cola Blizzard. And people that own the vape shops in Manchester, work on your game, boys. You had the Venom in, but you didn't have this, which I'm not surprised at if other people have found what I found. Now, let's get into the flavour breakdown. We managed to get another bottle. Just so. Now, vapour production off of this one is probably the best of the line from Venom. It's described, the only breakdown on flavour is cola and ice, which is bang on. There's no hidden flavours, there's no nothing, but the nearest damn thing I can get you to imagine is if you took a bottle of Coca-Cola, froze it, and then use it as an ice pop, there. The flavour as you vape, I need to have another hit of this. as you vape on it, you almost taste the bubbles off the Coke. And it is literally, it's cool. So I don't know if there's a bit of menthol in there as well. Crazy. And obviously coming into summer, the store I got this from today, I'm going to be taking a trip back because I'm going to stock up on this for summer. It is absolutely marvellous. Never tasted anything like it from an e-liquid before. Brilliant. Wow. Now, as I say, I flew through 2 bottles of this in 3 days. You can get happy with this stuff. It is just a straight Coca-Cola ice pop, but you get a little bit of a fizz with it, and I think it's a menthol undertone in the back of the vape that keeps it cool again. I can't put into words how much I enjoy this one. Seriously, give it a go. I've tried many Coca-Cola flavoured vapes in the past, and it tastes like 19p fucking 2 litre roller cola. This stuff, bang on. Absolutely brilliant. Can't say more. I'm waffling. Well, we'll have to wrap things up then. So, thanks for watching Steve Vapes. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.